Welcome back, friend. We have very important topic to discuss to explain here. That is FFI and DII activity in this financial year, especially in the month of May. Right? Why it is important? Because the financial market is influenced by the fund, and for the fund, only two players is important that flow the funds in the market. That is the foreign institutional investor and domestic institutional investor, and the third one is the retailer, that is the common person, the common people used to invest. But these two are the most important player, they are the big player. Especially I think that FFI is the most important to influence the foreign financial market. Why it is important? Because this is the foreign investment, and if the FFI are investing in a particular country, means they are expecting the growth in the country, or they are expecting the higher return on their funds. So that's why this is, I think, FFI is the most important. So if you'll see from the last 4 5 months, FFI is selling, continuous FFI is selling. If you will see this, in month of January, FFI have sold the 41,000 crore. In month of February, it is 45,000 crore. In month of March, it is 43,000 crore. In month of April, it was a 40,000 crore rupees. But final in the month, as today is the 31st May, we can see here this, the 54,000 crore, almost you can say the 55,000. For the easy explanations of this data, we can see this 55,000 crore rupees if I have sold particularly in this month, and this is highest from the last how many months? You can see so many months. Yeah, it is so many months. Probably highest in the year. So I strongly believe this is not giving the good indication for the bull market. This is completely not in the favor of the bull market. Why it is so? Because domestic player cannot hold the market lonely. Domestic institutions cannot hold the market lonely for the long term. The FFI fund must come to the country, and the FFI are continuous over the time, over the month, probably over the years, they are selling from the Indian market. After lockdown, we have seen that in the month of uh, April, May, June, they brought some. But in this you will see, in this year, especially from the last 1 year, if FI is selling. So I will recommend that be serious whatever you invest for the long term, or whenever you are trading for the having, because trading is based on the day data, or 2 3 day data. Trading does not influence too much because we work on the volatility of the market mostly. But of course, trading also get influenced by these data. So for the investor, or for this positional trading, this data do not favor. Uh, so I will recommend that think about it before you go for the bull market. Of course, I'm not going to say that market completely in the bearish zone, no, not at all. But yet, yes, this data do not show the good indication for the bull market. Thank you so much, keep supporting this channel.